Alright, I'm here today with my Badboy Elite and threw a belt. Luckily it didn't break, but threw it off. Trying to scalp the grass a little too low in preparation for a garden. So, just show you what it takes to get this Badboy belt back on. Bolt on both sides. Looks like it's got slots in the cover. Expose this pulley. Bugs. Yeah, you helping me out? Are you helping me out? Oh, I appreciate that. So we have the belt routing right here. So we see the routing. Let's get this belt stretched out a little bit. Alright, so on the back of the machine, you can see where this pulley is. So we want to get this on. Push back on that. Loosens that up. Alright, now we got some slack to play with. Get that belt situated on there, like so. So we got it around the back, comes around this. And this pulley here, and this pulley here. There, and there, like that. Make sure all the pulleys are on, or the belts on all the pulleys. So we snug it up. Routing is correct. Just make sure it's on all the pulleys correctly. Let's go back to the back. Make sure it's on the back, and it is. So we got all the pulleys, the belt on all the pulleys. The belt needs replaced, but like I said, we'll do that after we get this project done. Take the deck all the way up so we don't get a bunch of gravel. So that, my friends, is how you get the belt back on a Badboy Elite 60-inch zero turn. So it took about really 5 minutes to put that belt back on. So we'll get this project done up in the garden, and then get a replacement belt for this deck, because it definitely needs it. Thanks for joining us here on Peterson Farms in Nashville, showing you how to reinstall the deck belt on a Badboy Elite 60-inch. God bless you all till next time. Thanks for stopping in.